Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this series, we are going to solve the third video of LeetCode Grind 169. The problem is longest substring without repeating characters. So here we will be having one string and we have to find substring from that without repeating characters. So examples will be ABC, ABC, BB. ABC will be the longest substring in this one. BBB, B will be the longest substring. As you can see, B is replicating here. And in PWWKEW, WKE is the longest substring. You can see PWKE is also the longest, but it is not a substring, it's a subsequence. That's why WKE is the longest substring here. Now we are going to solve this problem using sliding window technique in which we are having two pointers left and right. So in this approach we are going to use sliding window technique in which we are having two pointers left and right, and we will use one hash set to track characters in the current window. How? We will be having one hash set using which we can track even if the string is visited or not. So we are having one hash set here, char index. It will be the array of int. Why int not string? Because in memory strings will be saved in ASCII values. Every string, every alphabet will have its numerical value in which it is stored in our database. So here we are having n as the length of the string and max length variable in which using which we are going to return our result, and left pointer as I told you, we are having two pointers left and right, so we are having our first pointer as left equal to 0, and we will set each and every value of our hash set as -1. You can see it here. Using for loop, we are going to set each and every value of our hash set as -1 so that we can easily keep track of it. So then we are going to use our another pointer in the for loop from 0 to n is the length of that string, and now you are taking the first element of the string and then you will check the index of that letter if it is greater than or equal to the left pointer. If it is true, then we are going to increment the left pointer by char index of current char plus 1. If it is -1, then it will become -1 plus 1 0, which will remain same. But if it is 1, then it will become 2. That's like we are going to follow it, and then you are going to set the char index of current char as the value of right pointer, and then you are going to check the max length whether the previous max length is more or right minus left plus 1 is more. Whichever is more, we are going to take that value in the max length, and at end we are going to return that max length value as our result. So we are going to trace one example here. Example is ABBA. Initial, as you know, left will be 0, max will be 0, and char index for all is -1. Then in first iteration, right will be 0. Though first element is A, we are going to check that, and we found that it is less than left as -1 is less than 0, so no shift, and set the char of A as 0. And then you are going to find out the length 0 minus 0 plus 1 equal to 1, which is greater than 0, as previous max was 0 and new max will become 1. Then for next iteration, right equal to 1, then that element is B, and you are going to check it again, and you found the same no shift, and that you will set the char index of B as 1. Why 1? Because you are going to set the right pointer's value here. So right pointer is here 1, so 1. Here it was 0, so it is 0 here. And now right is 2, so right is 2, so B will 0, 1, 2. So it is again B. Now, char index of B is 1 as we set it here, and it is greater than left now. So duplicate inside window we found, and we are going to change the left pointer as 1 plus 1 and new left pointer will be 2. So set char index of B as 2 because our right is 2, and then you are going to find out the length, which is 2 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 1, and 2, and new max stays 2 only as 1 is smaller than, and at last in third iteration it will be a as the element from the string, and char index of a is 0, which we set it here. So it is less than 2. Previous a is outside window, no shift. Set the char index of a as 3, and you are going to find out the length. So length will be 3 minus 2 plus 1, which is 2, and max stays 2, and we are going to return our answer as 2. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and do support us.